Which is the biggest continent on Earth by size? Asia. What large bird cannot use its wings to fly? Ostrich. Where can you visit the famous Eiffel Tower? Paris. How much is 35 divided by 2? (17.5). The plural of the animal deer is what? Deer. Which country is home to the Great Wall? China. What tool do you use to check your body temperature? Thermometer. How many zeros are in the number 1,000,000? Six. The closest planet to the Sun is named what? Mercury. Which of these is not a human sense? Sleep. What is the name of the biggest ocean on the planet? Pacific Ocean. An adult human has exactly how many bones? (206). What is the tallest animal that lives on land? Giraffe. A shape called a hexagon has how many sides? Six. Which city is the capital of the country Italy? Rome. The process of heating food to kill germs is called what? Pasteurization. How many centimeters, or cm, are in 1 meter, or m? 100. What is the main money or currency used in Germany? Euro. Which small, slow-moving animal does not make a sound? Snail. What is the specific word for the fear of heights? Acrophobia. In which city is the U.S. presidential building, the White House? Washington, D.C. What is the primary job of the small intestine? It absorbs what? Nutrients. Which one of these sea creatures has no blood? Jellyfish. What is the name of the longest river on Earth? Nile River. The tallest building in the world is called what? Burj Khalifa. What mineral do we need most for strong bones? Calcium. Solar panels change which natural energy source into electricity? Sunlight. How many days are there in February during a leap year? "29 days. At what temperature does water turn to ice or freeze? (0°C). What bone are babies born without and it grows later? Kneecap. What is the result of the multiplication 9 times 9? 81. In what country is the cost of petrol less than water? Venezuela. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. What are the two main official languages spoken in Canada? English and French. The famous Taj Mahal is located in which Asian country? India. Which company is the most popular rideshare service in the U.S.? Uber. The capital city of the country, Canada, is what? Ottawa. How many total eyes does a honeybee have? 5. A high blood pressure reading that may cause a heart attack is between what two numbers? 130 and 190. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? The Moon. How many continents are there in total on Earth? 7. At what temperature in Celsius does water start to boil? 100 degrees Celsius. What is the fastest running animal on land? Cheetah. How many minutes are contained in 2 hours? 120. What is the name of the biggest hot desert on Earth? Sahara Desert. What is the name for the study of plants? Botany. Which of these animals is classified as an amphibian, not a reptile? Frog. About how many minutes does it take for sunlight to get to Earth? 8 minutes. Who was the person that invented the first mechanical calculator? Blaise Pascal. The year 1233 is part of which century? 13th century. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.